What makes the Unplug Meditation Teacher Training different from other meditation teacher trainings? We have distilled it all down into the most magnificent bite-sized pieces where people can really take it in, get it, practice it, and then share it. This is a heavily curated process. I've certified over 2,000 meditation teachers in so many different lineages, philosophies, and schools of meditation. And I think that's what this teacher training does. It's really that fusion of not just really learning all the components of meditation in a secular way, so you can move it in any direction and you're not limited by some ancient wisdom tradition that locks you in. So it's a 6-week process, and the final week we refer to as the in-residence week. The 5 weeks leading up to that process are laid out in a very, very clear and crystallized format. Right from the minute we start, we give them a dashboard, and everyone has their personal dashboard. And on this dashboard are all the lessons as they unfold over the weeks, a link to any recorded webinars, because we have webinars throughout the process where we're connecting and sharing and talking and introducing ourselves to each other, as well as having very, very specific lessons on the science, on the benefits, on the best ways to present, on the myths, on the best and worst practices, so people can just keep up-leveling their practice over those 5 weeks. There are videos on the dashboard, so every single day throughout this process, you're watching videos that will teach you about other types of meditation, other schools, other aspects and mechanics of the practice, especially of the present moment practice. And you're also hooked in instantly to the Unplug Meditation app. And we've created this magnificent flow so that every single day throughout the process, you get to meditate with all the vast teachers on the Unplug Meditation app. And so every single day, you're learning another style, another technique, and another way of expressing yourself. Simultaneously, you're meditating. So by the time we get to that in-residence week, I've met with everyone one-on-one. We've had our webinars. People have been clicking the various links and watching videos and reading the books. They're really mastering the benefits. And we're talking about, you know, physical, emotional, neurological, scientific benefits, so that our teachers can talk about research studies if they need to, but they certainly understand it's evidence-based, and they can share that under any kind of circumstance. And during our in-residence week, it's Suze and I, and we are sort of like guardrails in this process. And the students flow between the two of us, learning, deepening their practice teaching to each other, switching it up. You know, we've become masters of Zoom rooms. So we know how to, you know, take people out, put them in different rooms, and practice. And, you know, we selflessly share. How do you brand yourself? What should your website look like? What's the music you should come up with if you want to create a guided meditation? What's the best mic? What's the best equipment? I mean, we've explored so many things because we want our certified teachers to thrive in this environment. As the bigger you get, the prouder we get. People have stressed that this is a powerful personal growth experience as well. And we never put that in the materials, you know, where it's like, you know, learn to be the better version of yourself. But people report, not just during the training, but after. I've been using the tools and techniques, and you know what? I'm a different person than when I began this process. I'm more confident, I'm more comfortable, I'm more patient, I'm more creative, I sleep better at night, I'm not as reactive. And so no matter what you're doing, no matter what you're thinking of doing with a meditation certification, you're equipped. You're really, at the end of this, you're an expert. One of the most common comments that I get in terms of gratitude or thanks when our 6 weeks are over, whether through email or in person, people will say to me, "Thank you for helping me find my voice." And that is, again, it's another one of those unspoken, magnificent benefits of this particular process. Uh, there's like an aha moment that everybody has, that they've been transported. They've shifted their lives from where they were to this whole new level. And I think that's the key.